Hey, what's going on, guys? Got a tutorial for you. This one's going to be You Called Me by Mayor Hawthorne. I'm going to play through the verse chords. Okay, so that first chord is a C sharp. Then I'll go over like the strumming pattern I was doing. And then we want to go to an E flat minor 7. So we're just kind of bouncing back between those two. Okay, and then the next chord is an F chord, F sharp. You do that bounce back pattern again. Okay, and then the next chord is a B flat minor. To a G sharp. So all together we have this. So that's the verse. So for the strumming pattern, I guess you would want to start off by just doing this right here. And just get really good at just getting that rhythm down. Okay, so once you get that down, then you just kind of follow the rhythm of the song and put the chords in and mute where necessary. So we have this. So we have our pattern. And go put the chords in. See that? That's that. So when the song first starts off, it does one round of the verse. So it's like. Okay. And then you start the verse. So you play through the verse chords, that whole round where it ends on this. You do that whole sequence twice. And then you get to the pre-chorus, and for that you want to go to an E flat minor 7, which we already know, to the C sharp. So you just kind of, so we already know that stuff. And then to come out of the pre-chorus, we just go here, and play this G sharp 11 down here. Okay, so it's like. Okay, so something like that, and then you go to the chorus, which is the same chords as the verse. So you go through that whole sequence twice, second verse, pre-chorus, and then when you get past that, there's like a little change where we go like this. I'm doing there is just walking up from the E flat minor 7, going to an F minor 7, to this G, E flat, F sharp major 7, and then you do it again, but instead of the F sharp major 7, we go to this B flat minor, which we already know. So, and then we do it again. Okay, to the F sharp major 7, and then end it on that G sharp 11. And then you go back to the pre-chorus stuff, which if you remember was that stuff. So you just go through it and just come out of it, and then you do the verse like once. So we have, if we came out of